Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has broken his silence on the law and order issue in his state, the BJP's staple target every time the Manipur issue is raised. The Chief Minister has responded with the central government's own data. Quoting figures from the National Crimes Record Bureau, he said the highest number of rapes take place in the BJP-ruled Madhya Pradesh. In the long data-driven tweet, Mr. Gehlot slammed the BJP, saying that the party would find the truth bitter. Since a video of two women being paraded naked in Manipur went viral and the sexual atrocities in the conflict-hit state came into focus, the BJP has been pointing at crimes in opposition-ruled states including Bengal and Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, 33,000 rape cases have been reported. The Congress only sees rape in Manipur. Why is Sonia Gandhi silent against atrocities happening in Rajasthan? Union Minister Anurag Thakur had said. Similar statements have been made by other BJP leaders. The Rajasthan BJP is already planning a campaign crafted around law and order in the state for the assembly elections due by year end. So, what are the points raised by Ashok Gehlot? Quoting the NCRB data, Gehlot said that in crimes against women per lakh population, BJP ruled Assam, Delhi with Union Territory Police, Haryana are in the top 5 states in the country with maximum cases of rape with women in BJP-ruled Madhya Pradesh. When it comes to murder, crimes against women and kidnapping, Gehlot said that BJP-ruled Uttar Pradesh is at the forefront. Comparing Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, Gehlot said that in the case of rape of minors, that is POCSO Act, Madhya Pradesh ranks first in the country while Rajasthan ranks 12th. In comparison to 2019 in the NCRB report, crimes against women have decreased in Rajasthan in 2021, while crimes increased in BJP-ruled Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh. Despite the policy of compulsory registration of FIR in Rajasthan, about 5% less crimes have been registered in 2021 as compared to 2019, while 17 states and union territories including MP, Haryana, Gujarat, Uttarakhand have registered more crimes. The Rajasthan Chief Minister further said that the BJP is targeting his government to divert attention from the failures of Manipur and BJP-ruled states. Following the viral video of two women being paraded naked in Manipur, the BJP raised the issue of crime against women in states such as Bengal and Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, 33,000 rape cases have been reported. The Congress only sees rape in Manipur. Why is Sonia Gandhi silent against atrocities happening in Rajasthan? Union Minister Anurag Thakur had said. BJP's argument on crimes against women in Rajasthan has been slammed by the Supreme Court as well, which took up the Manipur women's video issue so moto. At a hearing yesterday, responding to a lawyer who spoke about crimes against women in Bengal, Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh, Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud said, "You cannot excuse what is taking place in one part of the country like Manipur on the ground that similar crimes are happening in other parts too. Are you saying protect all daughters of India or don't protect anyone?"